So biosimilars has presented a really interesting dynamic in healthcare. We've really seen our payers insert a larger influence over formulary decision making, which then trickles down into physician decision making. So we've seen pharma partners make agreements with different payers for formulary status. And so it's really kind of the first time that multiple payers are choosing, either originators over the biosimilars or a sole biosimilar. And if you have different payers allowing different biosimilars, from a practice perspective, that becomes operationally kind of difficult to do because you don't want to give an unauthorized biosimilar to the wrong patient. That's just a financial blow to a practice. But, biosimilars really have been the first time I remember the payers really inserting their influence into this decision making. But I don't think it's going to stop adoption of biosimilars and its continued integration into our practice, because we, across the healthcare spectrum, are seeing significant cost savings due to the advent of biosimilars. So according to a recent analysis by Ronnie Gal, who is an analyst with Bernstein, in the latter part of 2020, the market reached an annualized savings of about $7 billion for the US healthcare system. When you take that into account with like the $20 billion of drugs that had competitors, we're seeing about a $7 billion savings in that. And that's significant. The market continues to shift, and it's going to continue to grow as we have that combination of patient acceptance, physician confidence, and a growing demand from patients, physicians, and employer groups for payers to include biosimilars on their formularies.